System damage and repairs. What mission would be complete without it? During the mission, the ship will undoubtedly sustain damage and require repairs. In fact, this is so common and important that 3 full crew stations are dedicated to it. But if at any point you need to intervene, you can do so with the system damage and repair controls here. Setting the system's health is quite straightforward. Simply click the health bar of the station that you want to damage or repair and drag it to the desired level. This gives you precise control over any station on an individual basis. Conversely, if you want to affect all the stations at once, you can use the green plus button to slightly repair them, or the red minus button to slightly damage them. If you want to let fate decide, you can use the button with a dice icon, which will damage a system at random. The damage absorption button can be toggled on and off. When it is on, it reduces all incoming damage by 75%. It's a great way to protect the ship during extremely dangerous encounters. And finally, when the crew is working to repair a system, those repairs take time. This slider here lets you control how fast or slow those repairs occur. This is a great way to speed up or prolong a part of the mission without being noticed by the crew.